A stunning front-facing home where architecture blends seamlessly with nature. Warm wooden furniture fills open kitchen, dining, and family spaces that flow onto a sunlit terrace. The garden features small pebble flooring, while a stepping stone path, edged with tiny rocks, leads to a shimmering river. Massive mossy boulders anchor the grounds. A vertical garden with aged branches adds charm, and majestic mountains rise beyond with friends.
Brings the outdoors in beautifully.
This exceptional residence embraces the earth from its welcoming facade. Rich wooden pieces complement bright kitchen, dining, and family areas opening to an expansive terrace. The garden showcases fine pebble flooring, while a rustic path, lined with small rocks, winds toward calm water. Moss-draped boulders add character. A vertical garden brings texture, and towering peaks frame the view. A remarkable home merging modern comfort with wild nature. Rich wooden furniture anchors bright kitchen, dining, and family areas opening to a generous terrace. The garden features small pebble flooring, while a winding path, dotted with tiny rocks, meanders to the water's edge. Mossy boulders create nooks, a vertical garden adds elegance, and misty peaks enhance calm. This gorgeous residence embodies true nature integration. Warm wooden furniture fills open kitchen, dining, and family spaces connecting to a sunlit terrace. The garden's floor has fine pebbles, while a charming path, fringed with small rocks, guides to a glistening river. Massive boulders add character. A vertical garden brings beauty, and towering mountains form a grand backdrop.